Out in the middle of the ocean, in the coral reef, lived a little pufferfish named Patty. Patty was a beautiful swimmer who loved to take her time swimming in the ocean. Soon, one of her friends came by. "Oh, you-hoo, Patty." "Oh, hi, Patricia." "Yeah, hi, Patty. Would you teach me how to swim like you? I've always admired your swimming." "Oh, sure. Just follow me." And so the two swam together. When along came Percival. "Oh, you-hoo, Pufferfish." "Boo!" I love to see Pufferfish puff up. Patty and Patricia, you guys are so funny. Soon another pufferfish came by. "Oh, Patty and Patricia, is that you? You're all puffed up. What happened?" "Oh, Percival, he scared us." "Oh, Percival, that means fish. Where is he?" "Oh, I'm here." "Boo!" "Ah!" And he scared another pufferfish. "Ah! Now I have 3 pufferfish all puffed up." "Ah! Ah! You guys are so funny." "Ah! Ah! He is so mean. Soon Grandma Pufferfish came into the scene. "Oh my goodness, what has happened to you 3 ladies?" "Oh, Percival, he scared us, and we all got puffed up. Yeah, now I have a headache, and I'm super stressed." "Oh dear, that Percival, when will he ever learn? I'm going to go see if I can find him. Shame on him. Girls, you'll be okay. In a few hours, you'll be able to swim, so just relax. Okay, I will see you in a few." Well, the next day, Percival went to see Coach Finns, who was a swimming coach. "All right, Percival, are you ready to dry out?" "Oh, you bet, Coach." "All right, I'll blow my whistle. Tweet, tweet, and now you're ready to go. Let's see the front stroke." Okay, and backstroke. And a flutter. Okay, and a nose dive. And straight up. And down. Well, that looks pretty good, Percival. Looks like you're gonna make it this year. All right, I'll see you in practice tomorrow morning. "Oh, thanks, Coach." "You bet." "Oh, yippee! I made the swim team. All right, I can't wait to tell the guys. This is great. Yippee! I'm so excited, so excited, so excited, so excited." "Hi, Percival." "Oh, it's a pufferfish. Ha ha. Boo! Oh no, not again." "Ah! Ah! Percival, you are so mean. Stop making me puff up. But you're so funny." Ha ha ha. Soon Patricia came by. "Percival, stop picking on my friend. You quit being mean." "Boo! No! Ah! 2 pufferfish. Girls, Are you okay? Percival, stop picking on my friends. Boo! No! Ah! Now there was 3 pufferfish all puffed up. Ah ha ha ha! Ah ha ha ha! Ah ha 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 ha! You guys are so hilarious. Soon, Coach Finns came by. Oh, I need to tell you something. You need to come at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. I forgot to tell you the time. Oh, what's this? We've got 3 pufferfish all puffed up. Do you know anything about this, Percival? Me? Oh, no. Then why are you laughing? I'm sorry, Coach. Maybe I'll just go home. Nope, you come right back here. Okay. Listen, you are not allowed to be on the swim team if you are causing trouble like this. You're not mature enough to be on the swim team. To be on the swim team, yes, you have to be able to swim, but you also have to have good character. Okay, I'm sorry, Coach. Now off you go. Well, Percival was very sad. I'm sorry you didn't make the swim team. Oh, it's not your fault. It's my fault. And Percival, if you realize what you do to us, we get so stressed out, we can't move for hours and hours because we swallow all this water. You can't move for hours and hours? I didn't know that. Well, Percival, if you would just ask me, I would tell you these things. We could be friends, you know, but not if you keep stressing us out. Oh, wow. I'm so sorry. Patty, I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Patty. And Patricia? And Paulette, I'm so sorry. Now I can't be on the swim team. Well, Percival, if you're kind to us, I'll let you be on our own swim team. I kind of made one up with Patricia and Paulette. So if you want to join us, you can. Really? Yeah. Wow, that'd be great. When do we start? Well, I can't start for at least 4 to 6 hours because you stressed us out. But maybe tomorrow morning, meet here. Oh, you know, about 8 o'clock is fine. Oh, wow. Thank you, and I'm so sorry. I'll see you tomorrow. And so the next morning, Patty was up bright and early. She was ready for her little swim team. First came Patricia. Hi, Patty. Oh, hi, Patricia. Come and swim with me. And then came Paulette. Hi, girls. And then came Percival. Hi, girls. Oh, hi. Come and join us. And so the 4 became a wonderful group. That's what I like to see. I like to see all the young fish getting along. All fish should get along together quite nicely. Okay, and now we're going to start writing. All right, so here's a review. Here's our little pa for pizza. And here's our big pa for also pizza. And people and places. Okay, so the little pa is on the bottom shelf of the oven. And it goes down into the smoky oven. But the big pa, it just takes up the top shelf and then the bottom line stops. Okay, so the big pa takes up 2 spaces and doesn't use the third, the smoky oven. And so the little pa takes up the bottom space and then its tail goes down into the smoky oven. Okay, so you might want to color this part in light gray. Okay, have a big person help you make this. Okay, and take your marker, start at the cherry, go down into the smoky oven, and then go up and make your bubble toward the honey line, because we like to dip our pizza in the honey. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Start at the cherry, go down into the smoky oven shelf, all the way up, and a bubble. Down, up, and a little bubble. Down, up, and a little bubble. And one more. Okay, good. Remember, nothing on the top, just the bottom shelf, and then down into the smoky oven. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over. And we have the big paw, which only takes up the top and the bottom and no smoky oven. And we could have 2 sections of these made the same way, because we always fold it in half and fold each half into half, just like we've been doing. Okay, start at the top, go down, up, and bubble. Top, down, up, and bubble. Top, down, up, and bubble. And then you have another row, and then you can wipe it off. Okay, good job. Voila. Hi guys. So today our letter is P, but we say as in pig. And now I've got Pa for pepper. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Oh, it's hot. Oh no. Pa for pepper. Woo-wee. Hello there, Ellie here. So I have Pa for pear. Yummy. Pa for pennies. Okay, so we're working on the letter P today, which says Pa for, Pa for people. Let's see, Pa for, of course, pizza. And Ellie forgot to mention Pa for Patty the pufferfish. Yeah, you remember that story? Man, Patty had a hard time because Percival kept teasing her and she kept puffing up. All right, goodbye, Patty. All right, so we're going to make a pufferfish out of our letter P, which says Pa for pufferfish. Okay, so we're going to put a red cherry right there so everybody knows where to start. Go ahead. Okay, nice. And then we're going to draw down and up and then bubble over to the honey line. Okay, you ready? And down, back up, and bubble over toward the honey line because, we dip our pizza in the honey. Okay, but we're making a pufferfish because Pa for pufferfish. Okay, so here's my example. All right, I'll leave it right there. Okay, so we've got circles for the eyes. So go ahead and make a big circle right there. Very good. Make a dot. And make a bubble over there. Little dot. Okay, big lips. Okay, and let's do a little fin. Okay, maybe some texture lines. And little fin down there. Little texture lines. Okay, now you can color it. Whatever color you want. You got some polka dots there. I like orange, so I just use orange. But you can use whatever color you want. Okay, so maybe make some circles and color them in. Little ones, medium size. Different sizes. There you go. And then you can do your fins, whatever color you want. Or you can just keep going orange. Okay, nice. Okay, now you got some little waves and some bubbles you can add if you want. Okay, I use blue. Just some waves above the pufferfish. Yeah, and then maybe some bubbles. Okay, a little more waves. Okay, maybe some at the bottom. All right, there's our Pa for pufferfish. Good job. Hello there, Ellie here again. So now I have Pa for Pickle! Let's take a bite. Mmm. Delicious. Hi guys! So, I've got the pa, for pizza, and the bubble goes to the honey because you dip it into the honey. And I got another example here because I was busy making something. I've got a pa for potato. Here's a potato. Okay, but guess what? Turn it over. Ha! There's my potato guy. Ha! Pa for potato.